Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Ryan Perdana with student ID 135232124. In this video, I would like to share you about the insight of my recent paper entitled Quaternion-based representation of aircraft rotation in 3D navigation system using X-Plane 12 simulation. This paper is a research about quaternions and how they role in modern aircraft navigation system. Okay, before we dive into the details, let's start with a quick questions. Have you ever wondered how airplanes maintain their orientation so precisely while soaring through the vast 3D space of sky? It's not just about turning left or turning right. Aircraft movement involves managing rotation around 3 axes. Okay, I think we need some properties to demonstrate this. Okay, perfect. The first 3 key axes of aircraft is roll. This is the rotation around the aircraft longitudinal axis which round the nose and the tail, allowing aircraft to roll to the right and to the left. The second one is pitch. This is the rotation around the aircraft lateral axis, which is run from the wingtip to the wingtip. It's adjusting the aircraft pitch, which nose up or nose down. Okay, the last one is yaw. Yaw is the rotation around the aircraft's vertical axis, which is from bottom to the top. It's allowing the aircraft to yaw to left or to right. Okay. Those 3 axes define an aircraft's orientation in 3D space. These angles are commonly referred to as Euler angles. While they are intuitive enough to define the aircraft 3D orientation, they come with challenges like gimbal lock, where 2 axes are aligned, causing a loss of rotational control. The aircraft's 3D orientation will uncontrolled. To answer those problems, here I come with my research. In this paper, I focused on quaternions, a mathematical concept introduced by William Rowan Hamilton to represent a 3D rotation in aircraft. But what is exactly the quaternion? At their core, the quaternions are an elegant way to encode the rotations without a problem faced by traditional methods like Euler angles, such as gimbal lock I mentioned before, and numerical instability. Okay, now you might ask, why does this matter for aircraft navigation? It's just about the representation, and how can it be related, or how we need to discuss it? Okay, in systems like autopilot, precise orientation tracking is essential during the flight. Quaternions provide a robust, efficient solution, making them highly relevant in efficient technology nowadays. Through this video, I'll show you the key highlights of my paper, how I analyze the flight scenarios using X-Plane 12, and how quaternion-based method compared to traditional methods, and lastly, why quaternions are becoming the gold standard in 3D navigation systems. So, fasten your seatbelt because we're gonna take a closer look at the math and science behind keeping the aircraft stable in the 3D space. This is when collecting data in climbing scenarios. We set the altitude to 16,000 feet, and then we set the heading. Okay, this is how we got the data from the X-Plane 12. We checklist the parameters that we want to analyze. that the plane is going up, and then we open the txt file that have generated by Xplane 12. You can see that the altitude is 16,000 feet. We cleared the data section to stop the collecting data, and then this is the data, and then we copy it to txt file in our folder in VS Code. To analyze it, we use the Python code. You can see it on the screen, and then after we run it, we got the analysis in the form of image for scenarios. This is the data collected in cruising scenarios. This is for climbing scenarios. This is for rolling scenarios, and this is for descending scenarios. You can see that the quaternions showed better stability as seen in their lower standard deviation values compared to Euler angles. If you'd like to dive deeper into the analysis, I have provided a link in the description which contains the complete paper of my research. You can go there and read it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video gave you a valuable insights into the role of quaternions in aircraft navigation systems. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment or reach out me through my email or DM Instagram. So, I'm Muhammad Ryan Perdana, signing out. Bye bye.